guys, today we're planting some Boston lettuce. So I just bought this at my local nursery about a week ago, and it's been growing in our backyard. And today we're going to put it into this garden bed. So what I want to do is first, just get it out of the pot. You can kind of squeeze the bottom and move it out. And then once you have that, you're going to want to loosen these roots a little bit. You can just go around and just loosen it up a little bit. And then we're planting it. So you can use a shovel for this, but I'm just using my hands. Just dig a hole and plant it just like that. And we've got 3 more to go. All our lettuce is planted. Now I'm just going to finish it off with some root rescue transplanter. This was developed at the University of Guelph, so there's some real science behind it. It's basically just some mycorrhizal fungi spores that you add to the soil to just help kickstart the biology in the soil, and it really helps the plants deal with the stress that they have when being transplanted. So inside the box there's going to be a little bag like this, and all you have to do for a 2-gallon bucket is put 1 teaspoon. So I have the bucket filled halfway, so I'm going to put half a teaspoon just for our lettuce today. And if you look when I put it in, the water goes black and all those spores are being activated. Give it a quick little stir here. And then you're just going to water your plants like you would regularly. That's all there is to it. In a few weeks, we'll have some Boston lettuce for our family to eat. Thanks for watching, guys.